Hey everybody, it's Robin Bush walking to work on a really windy day, so my hair's all messed up, but letting you know I'm getting my exercise in, and I'm walking, almost running. I had to get a late start, so I had to move it. Sometimes you gotta move it, and I'm moving it. I think I made it in 20 minutes instead of 25, because I've really been running, so I'm running for my life. 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 If anybody asks you what's the matter with me, just tell them I'm saved, sanctified. I'm Holy Ghost filled and fire baptized. And I've got Jesus on my side. And I'm running for my life. 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 If anybody asks you what's the matter with me, just tell them I'm saved, sanctified. I'm Holy Ghost filled and fire baptized. I've got Jesus on my side. And I'm running for my life. And I don't feel no ways tired. I've come too far from where I started from. And nobody told me that this road would be easy. But I don't believe He brought me this far to leave me. He brought me 50 pounds down. And I don't believe God brought me this far to leave me. Sometimes I get discouraged. Sometimes I get down. My weight stayed the same again. But working a little harder. Got to exercise a little harder. I got to walk a little faster. I got to eat a little less. I got to drink more water. So, it's a constant chore. And I'm on a weight loss journey. I invite anyone that needs to join in to come on with me and see if we can get healthy. Some people don't need to lose weight, but they want to get healthy and just get that exercise in every day. Keep your heart pumping. And my heart was pumping really hard. I had a little chest pain when I first started out, but I got my second win, and I'm running for my life. And I don't feel no ways tired. I've come too far from where I started from. And nobody told me that this road would be easy. But I don't believe He brought me this far to leave me. Crossing the street. I don't believe He brought me this far to leave me. I said I don't believe He brought me this far. I don't believe He brought me this far. I don't believe He brought me this far to leave me. So I'm getting my jam on, getting my walk on. And we're in the middle of our weight race at UPMC. And I got to see what we rank now. One of our members lost 11 pounds. You go, Ann. I'm a little jealous. I should be working harder. So you see somebody that's working harder and they're getting somewhere, you want to work harder too. So we are a team. Carrie, Kim, Ann, Diana, and Robin. Am I leaving anybody else out? Carrie, Kim, Ann, Diana, and Robin. And Lisa J. Oh, she had to join by herself. I feel so bad. But we can do this, girls. We got 6 more weeks. Let's make it happen. So, still trying to hang in there sometimes with our weight challenges, hydration challenges with Abby Carney. You want to get on Facebook and join when you can, because you got great team support, motivation. You see people struggling. We're all struggling for something or another. Like I said, if it's not weight loss, you might be struggling with something else. Could be having a troubled marriage or terrible finances, cars breaking down. somebody got in an accident without a car for 2 weeks. So, ooh, almost got hit now. Gotta watch where I'm going. So, almost time to get into work. I wasn't going to make a video, but it's such a beautiful day. I don't even know what the temperature is. A little chilly with the wind, but it's got to be in the upper 50s, maybe close to 60. And beautiful March day. So I love you guys. Have a great day. I know I'm bouncing all over the screen because I am walking. I got 2 heavy bags, so I got weights that I'm carrying. Yeah, my lunch, my cups. Got to bring all my ammunition and drink. Got my salad. Got my lemon water. My Shakeology. So, love you guys. I keep talking. Have a great day. And remember that this morning when I rose, I didn't have no doubt. I knew the Lord, He'd take care of me. I knew the Lord would provide for me. I knew the Lord would lead and guide me all the way. Yes, all the way. That's my angel's favorite song. So I want to say to her this morning, when you rise, because your time is different than ours, just don't have no doubt. And know that the Lord, He'll take care of you, provide for you, and lead and guide you all the way. Yeah, got my sweat on today. Look at my hair. Whew. I don't mind getting a little messy for the sake of fitness. Okay, love you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.